Alright class, so today what we are looking at is sequencing. So sequencing now is basically where we look for a pattern to figure out what number is missing or what will be the next number. So simple ways to identify a pattern is, for example, if the numbers are increasing, let's say we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and I'm missing a number here. We realize that the numbers are increasing. So when numbers are increasing, we know that we are either adding or multiplying to get our next value. So the example we have here is 2, 4, 6, and 8. So to move from 2 to 4, we know that we add 2. From 4 to 6, we add 2. From 6 to 8, we add 2. So therefore, the pattern rule is to add 2. So 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So the next number in the sequence there would have been 10. Alright, another example with the numbers increasing, alright, could be good. So we see the numbers are increasing again. So either we could add or we could multiply. So to move from 5 to 10, we could have added 5 or we could multiply by 2. So if we move from 10 to 20 and we were using plus 5, we will realize that the next pattern is supposed to be 15, but however we have 20. So which shows that we needed to multiply. So the pattern here was formed by multiplying by 2. Alright, so 5 multiplied by 2 is 10, 10 multiplied by 2 is 20, 20 multiplied by 2 is 40, 40 multiplied by 2 is 80. So the pattern there was formed by multiplication, right? Another way in which we could identify and solve sequencing is, we know when numbers are decreasing, you can either subtract or you can divide. Alright, so let's look at some examples with those. So if we have we know we move from 10 to 7, 7 to some number, and some number to 1. So the pattern between 10 to 7, to move from 10 to 7, we could have easily take away 3. So 10 take away 3 is 7. 7 take away 3 is 4. 4 take away 3 is 1. So the pattern there was subtracting 3. Our next example, we can have (24, 12, something 3). From 24 to 12, we could subtract 12, but when you subtract 12 from 12, you'll get 0, but we have some number and then 3. So we could try dividing. We know now, based on our timetables, 24 divided by 2 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So this pattern there was solved using division. So just a recap, to identify sequencing, if the numbers are increasing, you know you have to add or multiply. When the numbers are decreasing, we subtract or divide. Alright, and I just look for the pattern between the first and the second position. Okay.